Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can download and sign up for your Pinterest account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Play Store on your Android and App Store on your iOS, and go ahead and on the search bar search for Pinterest. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and tap on this application right over here, and there is going to be a install button which you want to simply go ahead and tap on, and it is going to go ahead and download and install on your phone. So go ahead and wait for that. Once it has downloaded and installed on your phone, you want to simply go ahead and tap on open. So you're going to be on this page right over here, where if you want to go ahead and continue, all you have to do is go ahead and enter your email and tap on continue. And if there is a account with your email, then you'll be taken to this page right over here, where you'll have to go ahead and enter your account's email and password. But if not, then you'll be taken create a account with the email that you provided. So that is what's gonna happen. But I already have a email. Let me just show you by adding a different email right here. As you can see, if I don't have a account, it will tell me to create a password. So all you have to do is go ahead and create a password right over here, and then tap on next. Once you have created your password, you want to go ahead and tap on next, and then it will ask you for your full name. I'm just going to go ahead and write video tutorial, and go ahead and tap on next, and it will ask you how old you are. Enter your birth date. And finally, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and tap on next, and then your account will be created. So that is about it on how to sign up for Pinterest. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.